Guys, never ever tamper with fire alarms. Never pull fire alarms for fun. Never open the pull station. Never take the alarm off the wall. Never take the alarm off the ceiling. Never tamper with the fire alarm control panel. Never turn on the fire sprinklers and set the alarm off. Never mess with any of the relays. Never paint the alarm. Never take the alarm off the wall. Don't take it off the ceiling. Don't take the strobe off of it. Don't take the horn off of it. Don't disable the horn or the strobe on it. You don't smash it. You don't color it. You don't do any of that to it. These are meant to save your life. These are not toys, so do not mess with them. And with some pull stations, if you open them, that will actually set off the alarm. Even with the ones that can't, still never open them. And if you flip the switch down or up, that will set off the alarm. So do not do that. Don't pull the handle down or open the unit or do that or do any of that. If you flip the switch up on the thing on the red alarm handle in my school, that will actually set off the alarm. So don't do it. And in some buildings, even opening the thing will set off the alarm. So never ever do that. And if you flip the switch down on some of these things, then that will set off the alarm. So don't do it. Do not mess with it. Don't tamper with it. You don't tamper with any fire alarm device. You don't tamper with any components of a fire alarm system in public. You don't do that. Could get fined, you could get arrested, and you are responsible for putting people's lives in danger. So do not play with these things. Again, if it's your own alarm, that is fine, but if it's a public alarm, you can't. You cannot mess with a fire alarm in a public building. I mean, another thing you shouldn't do in public is don't do this. Don't ever throw the alarm. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are going to have to replace it. You tampered with it, you painted it, you broke it, you are responsible for replacing it. You are responsible for buying a new alarm. This thing costs thousands of dollars. You have to spend thousands of dollars on a new alarm if you break it. You are responsible for replacing it. Never do that to it. You just leave it alone. You just leave the alarm the way it is. You don't tamper with it, you don't pull it for fun, and you don't vandalize it, you don't do any of that. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. I mean, what if you put your jacket over it? What if you put your coat over the alarm? Never ever do that. That is still tampering with the fire alarm. Never put socks on the alarm. Never put your mask on the alarm. Never put a bowl on the alarm. Never put your cell phone on the alarm. Never put the alarm on your foot. Also, if there is a ceiling fan, never put the alarm on the ceiling fan. If there's a ceiling fan in that building. Also, you never want to put a pen on the alarm. Never put this on the alarm. You never want to put any sort of like dress on the alarm. Never draw on the alarm with your pencil at school. Don't do that. Again, if you want to do it with your own alarm, that is totally fine, but if you're doing it with an alarm in the classroom, at school, that is not okay at all. Also, never throw the alarm out the window. And never put the alarm on top of your car. Also, picture this. Also, never do this. You never ever put the alarm in the refrigerator. You never put the alarm in the dishwasher. You never put it in the oven or in the microwave. Also, do not put the alarm in the ice maker, freezer. Never ever do this. Never put the alarm in the freezer. Never put the alarm in the kitchen sink. You never do any of that to a fire alarm. Never put the alarm in the bathtub. Never put it in the toilet. If you flush the alarm down the toilet, then it's gone for good, and that is not good. So do not do it. Remember, if you lose the alarm, that is a big thing. Because you need it just in case there's a fire. So never ever tamper with fire alarms for any reason. Bye.